Hey, my YouTube family. I told y'all I would be back with a quick and easy dessert. Like 5 minutes. So simple, so delicious, and not a lot of calories. And it's especially good for kids who, like if you got a sweet tooth and you need to have something, if you're on a diet or you're a diabetic, this is the perfect dessert for you. So all you have to do is cut up some fresh strawberries. You can add some sugar to it or some sweet and low to give them that sweetness. That's all you got to do, just to give them a little sweetness. See, I put sweet and low in mine because y'all know I'm diabetic. So good. And then I like to buy these little shells from Walmart. They come 4 in a pack for $1, but they're so good. They're like a little sponge cake, but they taste better than sponge cake. And so what I like to do is put them on a plate, like so. I make about 4 or 5 because my daughter, she really like them, and she really enjoy them. And they're not that, like I say, they're good for her weight. They're good for anyone's weight. And even if you're not on a diet, even if you're not trying to watch your weight, it's still delicious nonetheless. So I got 2, 4, 6 on the plate. Well, I bet you, and this is a good dessert to make with your kids because you know why? There's no knives, there's no stove, there's no oven, none of that. You don't need none of that. All you need to do, Mom, is cut up some strawberries or buy them already cut up. But make sure you add a little sugar if they need some. That's all. Thank God for pre-made things. That's all I gotta say. So I'm gonna take my strawberries and put a few of them in a shell. I didn't cut up too many strawberries. I'm just gonna make a few. You could cut up as many strawberries as you want. It depends, or how many people you're gonna have over or whatever. But I think 3 or 4 strawberries to a shell is enough. Like I say, it depends. But it's very delicious. And the kids, it's not a lot of sugar because that's the worst thing to do is give kids a lot of sugar. That's what I think. Now, after you put them in the shell, you see what I'm doing? After you put them in the shell, I like to wipe that off. Then I got buy you some pre-made whipped cream, cause I like to make my own whipped cream, but my daughter, Lord have mercy, Jesus. I told her to go get me some whipping cream. She went and got the whipped cream. Yeah, the Cool Whip. She said, you don't need to do all that. But I just like to do things. That's how I am. But anyway, we don't have time for all of that. So we got the whipped cream. We just take a little whipped cream, put $1. You can put as much as you want. I love whipped cream, me. And unfortunately, my daughter got the wrong one. She got the wrong one. She didn't get the one that I usually get, but that's okay. Still very good nonetheless. And it doesn't have all that sugar in it. And I think that you'll really enjoy this. Maybe some of you have already made a dessert like this, but it's just basic, a little strawberry shortcake in a shell with your whipped cream and your strawberries. You could fill it up with mangoes, pineapples, peaches. You could use what fruit you want, and that's it. Very simple, very delicious. The shells cost $1. The strawberries cost $1, and my shells cost $1. My strawberries cost $1, and the Cool Whip cost 98 cents. Can't go wrong. And look how many I made. I got 6 shells. So I hope you enjoy these. This is my quick and easy dessert. I love you. God bless.